ready to launch your dream newsletter and connect with your audience like never before. Let's dive into building it on Beehiiv, step by step. First, head over to Beehiiv.com and either sign up for a new account or log in. If you already have one, this is your gateway to powerful newsletter creation. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the option to create a new publication. Click on it to get started. Now, let's set up your newsletter's core identity. Enter a compelling name for your publication, a circumflex euros. This is what your subscribers will see next. Choose a unique slug, which often forms part of your newsletter's web address. Finally, write a short, punchy description that tells people exactly what your newsletter is all about. Beehiiv makes it easy to brand your newsletter. You'll find options to upload your logo, choose your brand colors, and even select fonts to reflect your unique style. Spend a moment here to make your newsletter visually appealing. Ready to grow your list? Navigate to the subscription settings here. You can define your free and paid tiers. If you plan to offer premium content, set your pricing and decide what benefits subscribers will get at each level. With your setup complete, it's time to create some content. Click on New Post, and you'll enter Beehiiv's intuitive editor. You can add text, images, links, and even embed videos to make your newsletter engaging and informative. Once your masterpiece is ready, you can either send it out immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. This ensures your content reaches your audience when it's most effective. Don't forget to check your analytics regularly. Beehiiv provides valuable insights into your subscriber growth, email opens, click rates, and more, helping you refine your strategy for maximum impact. You've now successfully created your newsletter on Beehiiv, a circumflex euros. Happy publishing!